What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to be going over the Kraken. So the Kraken, this right here is for the EZGO RXV. This one right here. I have another one that's for a club car tempo as well. So we're going to go over just this one right here today. This is the dealer version. They make a dealer version and a consumer version. The consumer version will only work with one vehicle. The dealer version, unlimited. So if you want to get a tool that's going to make you money, that's put in your toolbox or your arsenal, get this right here. We're going to go over all of this right here today. You could charge customers $150 to program their RXV and quickly make this right here money back. This would be a great ROI. So anyways, we're going to open this right here up, take a look at it, and we're going to start programming this right here, old RXV here. We got it running in the last episode, but I think we can make it run a little bit quicker with this and get rid of that pesky reverse buzzer noise. Let's just jump right into it. All right, the first thing we're going to do is a speed run, see exactly how fast this thing is now. We're at 81% on the battery, 52.3 volts. Let's see exactly what we're doing. It's kind of slow to get up to speed, and once it gets to the speed it's getting to, it's just completely just like dying, just falling on its face. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I think this right here could do a lot better on the takeout. And we're at maximum speed right now. All right, so like I'm saying, Kraken, unlock the performance, control the ride. This is for EZGO RXV 2013 to 2024. This is the dealer version. And it says we can make our golf cart go 25.5 miles per hour. It's got some other adjustable features like the position hold, rapid hill climb, fast acceleration, reverse buzzer. Other features include unlimited carts, saved presets, and we can check for fault codes as well. All right, so it comes with this right here, hard case right here, which is pretty nice. You got a zipper on it. It's got like a little hand holder there. Let's go ahead and crack it open. And this is what we got here. This is the Kraken programmer, and we have a couple of cables here. So we got two different kind of cables. Whichever cart cable comes with yours, you're going to use that. This right here is the unit, and it comes with a cool sticker. And this is going to be our cable here. And on the RXV, it's going to be up underneath the seat. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and remove the seat here. Be a lot easier to see in film as well. Are we in frame? Can you see this? This is going to be our programming port right here. This is a 4-pin white square port. What we're going to do, we're going to plug it into there. Check it out together. The golf cart is off, so the Kraken is off as well. Let me bring you in just a little bit closer here, point you down, so we can go over this. So we need to turn the golf cart on. It says Kraken dealer, Kraken welcome, Curtis connected, 192-799-1206 AC. This says reading success. So before we get into anything, let's see if it has any faults. I hit the faults button, it says no faults. So this right here has no codes. Number 1, the top left says fast acceleration. It says fast acceleration set on. Hit it again, fast acceleration set off. So we're going to set it on. And what we're going to do, in order to program this, we're just going to hit this right here, bottom right button that says flash. Success. Okay, so we already did the top left, we already did the top middle. Let's do this top right, which says increase. Forward speed. It says it's set to 15 miles per hour, but I think we're getting about 19 out of it. Let's see what else we got here. Let's just go all the way up. It goes in increments of a half of a mile per hour faster. So you can go up to 19, 19 and a half, 20, 20 and a half, all the way up to 25 and a half. It will not go anything past 25.5. We're going to set that. Success. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is reverse speed. It's at 5.5 miles per hour. Same thing in half a mile per hour increments. And it goes up to 7 miles per hour in reverse. Let's go ahead and flash it there. Success. The one in the middle is rapid hills. It's off. We can do on or off. Now, we don't have any hills here where I live at. I'm going to just leave that off. There's another one here. Position hold is off. Let's turn that on. Success. And the last one here in the bottom middle one is buzzer. Buzzer is on. So if we turn the golf cart in reverse, it's on. If we hit it again, it goes to off. But if we hit flash, buzzer success, off. So we've turned the buzzer off on the golf cart, which is very nice. Another cool thing is it's got a preset button over here. You can load your presets here, and you can automatically flash a bunch of carts in a row. So let's say you have a fleet of these right here carts, and you want them all to go a certain speed in forward and reverse, you know, whatever. You could just do that, hit flash on this cart, get the next cart, do it, hit flash, and that would be a quick way to flash a bunch of carts and to get some return on investment with your tool here. All right, we're done. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the golf cart off. This right here turns off. Then we're gonna unplug it. All right, first thing you notice, we're in reverse. No noise whatsoever. I mean, that alone is nice. Very nice. All right, guys, we're going to start our second test run hit now. Once we have everything programmed, we're at 78%, 52.3 volts, so we've gone down in voltage. I can already tell you it's so much quicker, and it was gaining so much speed in the neighborhood. I had to resort to another road here, so I think there's some people behind us about to come out. So anyways, I'm going to punch it. It's so much quicker. The takeoff out the hole is so much fun. Wow. 31 miles per hour. All right, guys, the Kraken seems to be a great choice for speed and performance, especially getting rid of that pesky reverse noise. I understand it's there for safety. I get that. I will pay attention when I'm backing up. But what's cool about this right here is we can actually make it go slower in reverse as well. We can actually get it to go low as, I think it's a half a mile per hour or 1 mile per hour, something like that, which is pretty cool. This is both versions. This one right here is the EZGO RXV 2013 to 2024. This is what we did today. This will not be the last time you see this. This one here is for the club car tempo. And this will get the tempo like 20 and a half or something like that miles per hour. What's great about this is you don't have to buy, if you're a dealer, you don't have to buy speed codes to program. This is unlimited. You just buy this right here one time and you can do unlimited club car tempos, which is pretty cool. With that being said, they're working on other models and we're working together with them as well. We got this one right here to go from 19 miles per hour, 31 miles per hour, 19 stock, even though the Kraken said 15 is probably due to the wheels and tires is on this. They're a little bit bigger than your stock OEM tires. So think about if you had a lifted RXV with 23s, you could probably get close to 35 miles per hour out of your stock controller and your stock motor, which is crazy, okay? I have no intentions of lifting this golf cart, But if I run across a lifted RXV that we can do the Kraken performance on for you guys to check that out as well, that will be another video, okay? All right, so let's talk about the bread and butter here, guys. This is what I did. I went with the dealer versions, and here's why. The consumer version is $250, but you can only program one golf cart. You can't program multiple golf carts. Now, with the dealer version, it's $500. You can program unlimited golf carts. And once you program yours, you advertise it in your area, you program 5 more, you've got a free programmer to make more money in the future, and you've got your golf cart faster. Okay, here's the deal. Use coupon code Fentertainment. You'll get $25 off. Why wouldn't you do this, guys? This right here is a great way to make a little bit extra income and make your golf cart faster as well. Or you can slow down other people's golf carts. So let's say somebody gets a golf cart and it's too fast. Well, hey, bring it to me. I can slow it down for you at whichever speed you want. Let's say if the kids were riding it or whatever, guys. So really, this is a great business opportunity to make extra money. I would highly recommend the dealer version. I appreciate you guys watching today's video. We're going to have the Club Car Tempo coming up soon, maybe about a week or so. And then they're also making some other Krakens. I think they're making one for a Yamaha and some of these foreign golf carts as well. And we will have those on our channel. So thank you guys for watching today's video. And next time, we'll see y'all later.